friends, in this tutorial we discuss about axis tool. You can choose it from large tool set. We discuss how to use axis tool and what is the benefit of axis tool, everything. So first, this is a default axis, red, green and blue. Okay, so I create this rectangular for this default axis. Now I want to change axis based on this rectangular. So I want to orientate this axis, so this rectangular. Okay, so first I click the origin point. So I click here the first point, and now you can see the red and the green lines are rotated. Okay, next I oriented red axis to this direction. So I click again the second point. Now the red axis are fixed. After that I click this side for the green axis. So your axis orientation automatically turn to that particular rectangular. So sometimes we create a building based on Google geolocation. Okay, so if I want to orientate my axis to this building, I can use axis tool. I can choose my first point. So I click here. Now then I can choose the second red axis point. Then I click here the third point, green axis. See, automatically your axis turn to that particular building. You can use this axis tool anywhere, anytime. If you want to reset again to default, just use axis tool and click anywhere. Then right click here, 5 options. You can select reset. The default axis orientation come back. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.